Want to spice up your Word documents? Learn how to add shapes to your text and images. Open Microsoft Word. Start the application and open your document. Select the Insert tab. Click on the Insert tab located at the top left of the window. Click on Shapes. In the Insert tab, click on the Shapes button to view the available shapes. Choose a shape. Select the desired shape from the list. You can choose from general shapes or flowchart shapes, among others. Draw the shape. Click and drag on the document to create the shape in the desired size. Modify the shape. To change the outline, click on Shape Outline and select a new color or style. To change the fill color, click on Shape Fill and choose a color. Access shapes. Quickly, you can access frequently used shapes from the left side of the Shapes menu without navigating back through the tabs. Finalize. Once you have created and modified your shape, you can continue editing your document. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.